Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel AI for Everyone. Now in my earlier videos we spoke about how important Python programming language is to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I thought it would be a good idea to help you guys understand how to download Python on your machine. So in the case of this video, I'll be working on my Windows 10 system. I'll be uploading the video for how to install Python on the Mac later on. But for today's video, we'll be working on Windows 10 system. So this video, it will guide you through step-by-step process of downloading and installing Python. Now, whether you're a beginner getting started with programming or an experienced developer, having Python installed on your machine is essential. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first step when you want to download